My name is Tyler Hufstetler. I am the Director of Partnerships for MaintainX. MaintainX is an enterprise asset management solution designed for the modern industrial workforce. Our customers come to MaintainX because they're looking to improve asset availability. They want to take the modern tools that are in our pockets today. They want to be able to track complex work. They want to be able to leverage AI to optimize their operations. At the end of the day, our customers are taking work orders, purchase orders, and inventory, and they are tracking what's consumed by which assets, and they are pushing that information back to the database of record, which is SAP or the customer's ERP. MaintainX works across many industries. Our customers come to us from distribution facilities to advanced manufacturing to process manufacturing and discrete manufacturing. So whether someone is producing widgets in a job shop or they're moving boxes down a conveyor belt inside a distribution facility, all of those pieces of equipment require consistent recurring maintenance, and that if that asset fails or if that asset is not producing appropriately, cash flow and operations come to a halt. So our customers utilize MaintainX in order to track work and also distribute the work orders appropriately across the teams. As a strategic partner for SAP, our joint customers contact MaintainX because they're frequently printing out work orders, or perhaps they're using legacy environments. There's multiple ERPs, but there's not a unified asset management solution that's being able to deploy across the entire ecosystem. MaintainX is a standalone product, so we're not required to deploy with the core across the entire customer's tech stack. So MaintainX is able to help our customers that are coming from public cloud, that are coming from Business One and other ERP environments in order to drive consistent maintenance across the organization. MaintainX is a strategic partner of SAP. We came through the SAP I/O program in 2023. So we've really gone team by team, company by company with SAP in order to help deliver a modern, advanced asset management solution to our joint customers. SAP customers and our joint customers alike can reach out to us either via the SAP App Store. They can contact us directly. They can reach out to us in many different ways. But at the end of the day, what we will do is we will work to provide to them the fastest solution that's going to provide consistent maintenance, tracking, and work order management for them.